y'all. Happy Wednesday. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So I am super excited for a couple different reasons. One, as you can see from the description down below, today we are going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for July 2019, and I am so excited. I can't wait to dive in here. But also, today is the last day to enter our 3,000 subscriber giveaway. The link will be below, so make sure you definitely go ahead and enter if you have not already. The giveaway is pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. And you guys, we are just over 100 away from 4,000. So I have the last two items being delivered tomorrow for that giveaway. So if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and definitely join our YouTube family here. We would love to have you. Obviously, we do lots of unboxings. We do live streams, giveaways, sneak peek videos, all kinds of fun stuff. So it's always a great time. We'd love to have you. Again, please do leave a comment telling me about your day or just what you think of the video. I love hearing from you guys. Also, again, please do give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out and I do appreciate it. But let's go ahead and get into the Ipsy 2019 or Ipsy July 2019 Glam Bag Plus. I need my box cutter, don't I? It's early. I have not had enough coffee, I guess. So, yay! So, we got yellow foam this month. Normally it's blue. And it always says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. For those of you that are not familiar, let me tell you this. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is like the upgraded version, the big sister, if you will, of the Ipsy Glam Bag. Now, I actually do have one glam bag right here. I am waiting on another because this is the first month that I'm going to be doing Ipsy versus Ipsy. So be on the lookout for that. But this is our Glam Bag Plus. So this is actually the regular bag. It's $10 a month. You receive 5 beauty products, tools. It could be brushes, samples, deluxe size samples, and sometimes even full size products for $10 a month, plus a cute bag. Now, with the upgraded version, with the big sister, the $25 Glam Bag Plus, it's $25, but you receive 5 full size products every month. So, let's definitely get in here and check it out. The value is always well over $100, so it is definitely worth it. And I am just rambling, so let's just get in here. So we peel back the yellow tissue paper. Oh, I was like, what? I was like, what? What's all this? I did some add-ons and I completely forgot. And I guess they decided to throw them in here. So we will get to those, but let me actually just take them out. So we'll set those over there. So this is what my actual Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is. Alright, so they do always include a little pamphlet, which I love, and the theme is Dive In. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks, guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. So I like this because they tell you about each product plus pricing, which I really, really appreciate. So the first item that I see here, I'm actually really excited about. I have gotten like addicted to these facial mists, and I think this is the Pixi, it's Pixi by Petra Glow Mist. Now this is a value of $15. Step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. Tip, shake it up, mist on the skin before makeup or all over your face, hair, and neck throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up. And that is actually how I will probably end up using this. Not really as a setting spray, but more as a refreshing mist, and I am just obsessed with those lately. My favorite, and I don't expect that to change, that this could change my mind, but I really don't expect it to change, is the it's from Skin & Co, the Aroma, the Truffle Therapy that we got. I believe it was in our Boxy Luxe last month. The peppermint is just amazing. I am obsessed, and I will be repurchasing that when I finish it. So I have that one, and then I actually have one by Shea Moisture that I keep in my purse. So I'm so glad to have another one, and you can see the oil, the separation, but when you shake it up really good, you can see that it does blend or emulsify, whatever the technical term is. So that's our first item, so I'm super happy about that. Now this next product I'm actually not that happy about, to be completely honest. It is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, length and volume. Now it is vegan, cruelty free. That is all fantastic. It's not the product itself that I'm not happy about. I've heard amazing things. It's got orchid stem cell complex. It's just, I have on my profile to receive mascaras rarely. I just got a mascara last month. So that's just my, I just got a mascara last month. Plus I just got a mascara in Boxy Luxe. And I'm not necessarily one to reach for mascara every day. Like, I don't have mascara on today. So to receive a mascara 2 months in a row when I have it listed as rarely is just kind of for me. But this again is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara in Bryn. It's a $24 value. A single swipe of this volumizing and lengthening mascara will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. It comes with an innovative comb-shaped wand that adds definition, separates lashes, and helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with orchid stem cell complex to stimulate lash growth and soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. So it actually helps make your lashes grow, which is awesome. I do have a friend I'm actually going to be giving this to. She wanted to try this and ended up not getting it. So I'm going to be passing this along to her, so at least it is going to get used. And it does show here, you can kind of see like the before or with and without. So, I mean, if it works, that's fantastic. But hopefully she'll let me know. So I'm sure she will. So there's that. And then now the next product here I'm super excited about. This is the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. This is a $45 value. And you guys, it's really not that much, honestly. It's 1.7 fluid ounces, 50 mLs. But y'all, this stuff is amazing. I actually have gotten a sample of this actually I think it was in a glossy box, and it's so amazing. Aside from being one of our fave summer fruits, watermelon is so good for your skin. It's the star ingredient in this lightweight balm packed with vitamins A, C, and E to help hydrate, brighten your complexion, and regenerate your skin cells. Plus, aloe vera and cucumber work together to calm inflammation and reduce redness, and white tea extract protects your skin cells from damage. And it is just so amazing. It just feels great. But when you hear the word balm, you think, oh, it's gonna be greasy and sticky. No. And I like here this description: lightweight, oil-free gel cream refreshes and moisturizes. It's literally like a water cream, in my opinion. And it's for oily, combination, normal, and even sensitive skin. It says benefits: watermelon moisturizes skin, aloe vera helps reduce inflammation, white tea protects skin from cellular damage, cucumber helps soothe and firm skin. Beauty through Asian wisdom. And it actually says the ritual is to cleanse skin with the Perlise Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk and then gently smooth over face morning and night. And it is great for everyday use. So I'm so excited. Let's actually take it out of the box because it's going to start getting used immediately. So we can actually see the full product here. And I'll even show you. It does have a safety seal. I want to sing Abby's song every time. It's like once you hear her sing it a couple of times, it stays in your head every time you see a safety seal. So see, it almost looks like a balm when you first take it out or put it out. But it like instantly goes into this like amazing feeling. First of all, lightweight moisturizer. It's fantastic. I love it. So let's move on. I don't want a 20-minute long video. Now this next product, actually, I can already tell you will be going into a future giveaway. Simply because I do not use loose pigment eyeshadows. But this is from Naked Cosmetics. This is the 4-piece pigment set. And it has a value of $40. Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oils, wax, or talc that can be damaging to your skin. These highly pigmented, finely milled loose pigments blend so easily. Mix and match them to create endless eye looks. And it looks like there are like 2 different shades that are very similar. However, as far as like bronzy, taupey type colors, there appears to be like a grayish purple and then like a more chocolatey brown. If you look right here, because I'm not going to open it, like I said, because it will be going into a future giveaway. So, but you know, if it's not naked, it's not natural. So, wow, this has a 3-year shelf life. You see that? Like once you open it, 36 months. That's crazy. So again, this will be going into a future giveaway for one of you guys. So I hope you enjoy that. And then our final product, I do believe everyone received one Huda Beauty palette. Now, whether you received a highlighting palette or one of the Obsessions eye palettes, it just varied, but I do believe everyone received a Huda Beauty palette. I received the 3D highlighter palette right here. And I'll be honest, at first I was kind of like, I don't know how I feel about it, but first of all, its packaging is like cute as pie. Like, her highlighter is stunning. And the way they just did this packaging is beautiful. 3D highlighter palette in Pink Sands. This is a $45 value. We're head over heels for anything this beauty influencer turned makeup maven creates with a mix of 1 creamy and 3 pressed powder pearlescent highlighters. This palette has everything you need to customize your glow. So I am... Like I said, at first I was kind of, goodness gracious, but seeing it in person, oh my mercy. So this is cute. This was like over top. Wow. Okay. Yeah, at first because I knew I was getting this, I was like, ooh, I don't know if I want that. First of all, it's huge. Like for a highlighter palette, I mean, these are huge in my opinion. Like these are the size of, like if you were to purchase individual highlighters, that's the size they would be. To have them that big in a palette, I think is fantastic. Let's see, which one do I want to, we'll just go with this guy right here. Azores, I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. We'll just swatch this guy right here. So we have it here. So very pretty. Very, very pretty. I do like it. So I am actually really glad that I got that. So that was my July 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. Now, I did say that I added 2 things on. That is the Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty Milk Made Totally to Die For Velveteen Hand Cream right here. And from Marc Anthony True Professional Strengthening Grow Long Anti-Breakage Mask with caffeine and ginseng. This is like a hair mask. I like using hair masks, so I did redeem some points and put... Did I say add on? I didn't add these on. I used points. I redeemed points. So I got this right here because I love to do a hair mask at least once a week. And I knew with this size, I mean, this is definitely multiple uses. So I'm excited to give this a try. And this actually is going into the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I wanted to make sure, I believe there may be a small hand lotion, but if not, I wanted to make sure there was. So I redeemed points and got this because I love the formula of all of these cake hand creams and lotion. They're just amazing. So this is actually going in that 4,000 subscriber giveaway. So again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. What did you get in your Ipsy Plus? Were we box twins? Let me know down below. I will leave a link if you would like to sign up for either the Ipsy bag or the Glam Bag Plus. Again, the regular bag is $10 and the Plus is $25. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, thank you so much. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye!